Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a high-impact sales team with Salesforce, complete guide step-by-step clearly. Building a high-impact sales team with Salesforce begins with understanding your business goals. Identify key objectives for your sales team. These could include increasing revenue, improving customer relationships, or enhancing team productivity. Next, assess your current sales processes. Evaluate what is working well and what needs improvement. Gather input from your sales team to understand their challenges. Based on this evaluation, define the ideal sales process. Map out each step your sales team should follow from lead generation to closing deals. After establishing your sales process, it's time to customize Salesforce. Utilize Salesforce's customization options to reflect your defined sales strategy. Implement custom fields, page layouts, and Salesforce objects that align with your sales process. Next, ensure proper data management. Implement a solid data entry process to maintain data quality within Salesforce. Train your team on best practices for entering and updating information. Once you have your data set up, focus on automation. Leverage Salesforce's automation tools to streamline repetitive tasks and reduce manual work. Consider using workflows, process builders, and approval processes. Now, establish robust reporting and analytics. Utilize Salesforce's reporting tools to create dashboards that provide insight into sales performance. Regularly review these reports with your team to identify trends and areas for improvement. Another crucial step is to develop a continuous training program. Invest in ongoing Salesforce training to ensure your team is up to date with the latest features and best practices. Encourage team members to explore Salesforce's trailhead for self-paced learning resources. Implement regular feedback loops. Schedule one-on-ones with team members to discuss their experiences with Salesforce. Gather feedback on any challenges they face and make necessary adjustments. Finally, foster a culture of collaboration and support. Encourage team members to share their successes and strategies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.